Hello guys, welcome back with a new video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can install WordPress in your local PC as a local host, where you can practice any type of you can do any type of WordPress practice, or you can create a website and then you can transfer it to your live domain. So before we start, please like and subscribe my channel so that I can get some motivation from you that you are watching my videos, and also I can get some motivation from YouTube in the form of cash. So let's start it here. Okay, so before we start to start, first we will have right here Xampp download. You will get the website which will be named as apachefriends.org, and from there you can easily download the WordPress Xampp version. So let's do that from here. So let's install the latest instead of Apache. If we do that from 1 minute. Download digital trend dot. Yeah, okay. Yeah, by the way, file horse and file hippo are very easy to download with. I am going to do that using that. Okay, let's click on free download. Your download will start in some seconds. Maybe for you it can take some time, and for some it will be very easy to install. You can see that I'm using IDM and it started here, and in some seconds it will take just 1 minute to get it downloaded. And once this is download, then we will be able to I will be able to guide you more. You can also download that from the original website from Apache that is already here. 1 minute. Apache, yeah, yeah. Here you can select the version, like if you want to use this version. This is the latest version 8.20 for Windows. I am using Windows, and if I download from here, I would prefer this one and with these details. So our download is almost ready. Let's use that here. Meanwhile, you can go to my website, my YouTube channel, and you can watch other helping videos as well about the WordPress. And there is many issues that I have tried to resolve, and had made videos for you guys so that you guys can take benefit from that. Okay, so it's downloaded here. Let's install that. Okay, click on yes. Okay, okay, click on OK, and then you can just start it. Setup them welcome and click setup. Okay, so we only need MySQL and MySQL only. Apache is already there. This is we need for our website, and we need MySQL for database. We do not need FileZilla FTP server. We do not need this one. We do not need this. Not a PHP MyAdmin. We need that. Web Finalizer and fake send email. This is what we not need, but this one we can make it active. Maybe in future this can help us out. So this is the folder where we are going to install the Xampp C and Xampp. If you want to install somewhere else, you can also do that. Click on next. 1 minute, let me make this folder empty. Let me delete that folder from my PC. Let's see if it will go or not. No, it's not going. That's not a problem. You can just add a new folder. 1 minute. You can do Xampp uh, 1 and click on next and next and next. So it's installing. It will take just some seconds. Yeah, you can see that it's taking it's going very quickly. And let's wait for it once it is complete. I'm going to pause the video. Okay, so it's almost completed. This one. Let's wait for it. Okay, so it's doing some settings again still that let's wait more for it. I'm pausing video so you guys do not waste your I do not waste your time. Okay, it's done. Now let me tell you. Okay, once this is done, then click on finish, and this should be check. Click on finish. Okay, now you can see that you will see this file here. What you need to do is that click on start and this click on start. Once you will do that, you will see these two screens on your PC, allow access and allow access for both. And now you will be able to see that if we go here, click on admin. Okay, here is the local host. Here is the local host dashboard. Now we need to download the WordPress. WordPress.org. You can do that and click on get WordPress and then download WordPress latest version. Download this. Okay, here is my file. I think it is already there. Let me check that out. No, it's getting download. 1 second. Let it download. Okay, once the file is once file download is complete, go to that folder, copy that folder, copy it, and go to the folder where the XAMPP was installed. Then go to htdocs, this one. Then here you need to create a folder or paste that here. I just paste that file here. 1 minute, where it is? 1 minute. I think I forgot to. Okay, copy this and paste that into the XAMPP folder htdocs here. Okay, here it is. Now I will extract it here. You can see that I am extracting that. I will also rename it to only WordPress, so it will be easy for me to activate it on a browser. Like here, no, where is them? Okay, here I will need to do that localhost slash WordPress. I will need to do this one. Okay, yeah, here you can see. Oh, 1 minute. It's under WordPress. There is two folders with same name. I will need to control all content and paste that here. So that I will be able to access with only one WordPress here. Okay, you can see that. Okay, when you are here, then you need to do one more thing. You will need to create database. For that, you need to go admin. Once you will log into admin, you will see here. Click on databases. Click on create database and write the name here DB. Create database. Okay, database table has been created. Now what you need to do is that come back here, click on continue. Now you will need to put the credentials. In the database name, you will write the name that you created. I only created a DB. For username, you can write root, and password you can leave it empty and click on submit. Let's see. 1 minute. There was a mistake. Okay. For password, you can leave it as empty and it's done. Now run the installation, and here you will need to name your site. Like I will name it as blog. Then username, I can add any username. Usman. I will write Usman Ali, and password you can use any of your, and then you can put email here as well. And let me do that. Okay, my logins and it has been created, and now I will log into WordPress. Okay, so I'm logged into WordPress and dashboard, and this is very simple. And if you want to see front end, it is here. So it is very simple, and I hope And you can access WordPress local by writing localhost. Let me write that here so that it will be easy for you. Where can I write? Yes, here. You can access your WordPress using writing this local host slash WordPress in your website URL, and you will access to your local host WordPress. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. If there is any help you need from me, please ping me on Facebook, on YouTube, my channel, and you can reach out to my email as well. I will try my best to help you guys out. Thank you.